Hi, I'm Dion Sima, an ethical hacker. I've helped secure some of the biggest companies from cyber attacks. Today, I'm going to show you how a hacker could rob a bank. Most banks protect their doors with usernames and passwords. But what if the lock itself is weak? An attacker can input an SQL query and bypass the login, gaining access without knowing any valid credentials. No password, no username. I didn't know any credentials, and yet I was able to log in. On a real bank, this vulnerability could give an attacker full access to accounts, transactions, and sensitive data. That's why securing every login is critical. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn hacking step by step and also discover how to earn money from your skills, click the link below. Let's grow together in cybersecurity. See you in the next video.